Hi guys, this is Joy, and now in this video we are going to discuss about demultiplexing using multisim. In the previous videos we have discussed about basic gates and multiplexers. Now in this we will perform demultiplexing. Now the demultiplexer is just the reverse to multiplexing, as we know. That is, a single data line will be selected to a particular output line. Now if I say simple 1 to 8 demultiplexers, that means one data line should be there, and there should be 8 output lines from which the data should be taken. Now depending upon the select lines, this data will pass through a particular output line. Now here you can see a simple 74154 IC has been shown, which is 1 to 16 demultiplexer. As you can see, a simple circuit. Here it is 16 output lines, 4 select lines, that is to the power 4 of 4 select lines and one data line. Now before going into details of this IC, I want to show you the pin diagram of 74154, and this is the pin diagram for 74154, where you can see it is a 24 pin IC, 4 select lines A, B, C and D, 20, 21, 22 and 23, and the outputs Y0 through Y10 are shown here, 1 to 11 pins, and the rest are 13 from 17 pins, as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. The two extra lines are data lines and strobe. What are they? Data line is the basic data that we want to pass through a particular output line, and strobe is basically for enabling the IC, and this 24 pin is VCC and 12 is grounded. So accordingly we have made the connection here using a simple DIP switch. We have given the select lines here using VCC. The data and strobe lines are grounded in order to enable or make the IC operative. Here one thing also I should mention, that the difference between 74151 and 74154 is that one is multiplexer and one is demultiplexer, but apart from that, it gives an active low output. That is very important in digital electronic circuits. Active low is another state of you know logic design, that is high, low and active low. Comes to the concept of tri-stated devices used in digital circuits. Active low output means whenever we select a particular line, that is, if we select 0001, that means D1 or the Y1 should be high, but instead of going high it will go low, and the rest of the devices, rest of the outputs will go low, will go high rather. Only this output will go low. Very simple. We should get a high pulse here, but we will get a low pulse here as it is inverted, as you can see by the bubbles here. So if we want to connect LEDs, we should be careful about that, whether the output is active low or not. Now for output I have taken 4 DIP LEDs. Where you can find it? You can find it in diodes, LEDs, and here you can see the bar graph or bar LED green, different packages found here as for switches you can place here. Now one thing, that what is the anode and cathode of this LED or this group of LEDs? If you can see here, A is written here, so all these ports, all these upper ports are the anodes of these LEDs, and the lower ports are the cathodes of the LEDs. So we need to take care of that during making connections. Here to blink those LEDs, To blink those LEDs, I have connected all the anodes to VCC and cathodes to the outputs of this IC, as this IC gives active low outputs. So whenever a line goes high, a low signal will be generated and that LED will be lit up. So now check the connections. My data is 0 as it is grounded. So now I am selecting a particular line. Here it is 0 0 1 1, means A is the LSB, D is the MSB of the select line. So 0 0 1 1, and it is equivalent to 3, and the Y3 line goes low and this LED is being lit up. Elsewhere you can see no LED is being glowing. Similarly, you can choose, suppose I want to make the data pass through 8, that means I will make 1 0 0 0. As you can see, the Y8 is being shown up or glowing. Elsewhere you can see nothing. So this is a very simple circuit to simulate. One thing also I want to mention that 74154, except being a demultiplexer rather, it can also be used as a decoder. As you can see, if we select a particular code, it gives or lit up the LEDs to a particular decimal equivalent. That means if we select all ones, it glows up the LED number 15. It means all ones equivalent to decimal 15. So in this manner it can also perform as a decoder, simple decoder. 74154, that is 4 to 16 decoder. Simple circuit, simple analysis. If you have any queries, please place in the comments. And that's all for today. See you next time.